Hello, boys and girls, and happy Monday. We are starting off a new week, and I'm so happy you joined me for writing today. So just like when we were in our classroom for writing on Monday, we are going to work on our verbal storytelling and then writing about that. So that means right now, I need you to start thinking about something you did over the weekend. Or it could even be last week because we weren't at school. So something you did recently that you want to write about. I'm thinking. I'm going to still use my thinking fingers. Watched a lot of TV. I read some books. I watched a video for getting ready for a baby. Okay, I know what I'm going to share. You're going to share? If not, go ahead and pause the video. So this weekend, Mr. Rondo and we played card games. So we finally got some new cards and we were able to play some card games against each other. And guess what? I was not the winner. Yeah, he beat me almost every time. Did I cry? No. I still had a lot of fun. It was really silly. So that's what I'm going to write about today. Remember, when we do our writing, I want you to try and write 3 sentences. So something that could resemble a beginning, a middle, and an end. So that's what I'm trying to think of now for my card games. So I want to tell you guys what I did. So I'm going to start by saying, I played card games with Mr. Rondo. Okay, and then what did I tell you? What happened next? Who was the winner? Yeah, he or Mr. Rondo was the winner. But how did it make me feel? Was I sad? Was I angry? No, what did I say? Yeah, it was fun. So that's what I'm gonna end my story with today. So I'm gonna say it to you just like I'm gonna write it. Are you listening? Okay, here we go. I played card games with Mr. Rondo. He was the winner. It was a lot of fun. Okay, my friends, so I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do my writing, and then I want you to get started on yours. So making sure when I start my writing, what do I need to start my sentence with? Yeah, capital letter. So I'm going to start with I played. Play is a sight word. We should know how to spell play. So I'm going to write it. P-L-A-Y. But when I said this one, I said played. That means it happened in the past. So I need to add a D sound to it. Okay. I played cards. When you're doing your writing, I want you sounding it out. I don't want your mommy doing the writing for you. You need to say the sounds and write the letters that you hear. So, oh, that's a tricky one. There's 2 sounds I could say. I'm gonna go like in Christian's name and write letter C. R. Oh, it says letter R. Cards. Like Snyder, right? Cards. Remember, after you sound out a word, read it again and then read your writing. I played cards with. With is a tricky one. Wah. Which H brother says? TH. Good. This is also a sight word. We haven't done it yet, but you need to know how to spell with. Okay, so now I'm going to read my sentence again. I played cards with Mr. Rondo. I don't think I'm going to fit it here. So remember, after we run out of room on our line, we go to the next line. So I'm going to write Mr. Rondo. I played cards with Mr. Rondo. That's my first sentence. What do I need at the end of my sentence? Period. Remember, after your period, you're going to do spaceman and start with a capital letter again. So next I want to say, he was the winner. So I'm going to go ahead and write he, and I'm going to start with a capital H. Okay, my friends, I'm going to stop my writing there because I want you guys to get started on your writing, making sure you have 3 sentences. Every time you start a new sentence, starting with a capital letter, making sure you have your periods and your spaceman. I need to be able to see where your words are. Also, make sure you spell your sight words correctly. You're almost in 1st grade. I can't wait to see what you guys have been up to. Bye!